How to take care of a puppy 2 months old. Being away from his mother, sisters and brothers isn't easy for your new 2-month-old puppy. The new surroundings of your home and all of the new sights and smells that go along with it doesn't make it any easier. Reduce your puppy's stress and fear by spending a lot of time together. Step 1. Buy a crate. Crate training is a house training godsend. Choose a crate with a dividing wall so you can adjust the crate size according to your puppy's growth. The crate area should be large enough for your 2-month puppy to stand up and walk comfortably in a full circle. Step 2. Introduce the puppy to the crate. The crate should be a safe zone for your puppy. Add a soft blanket or an old t-shirt with your scent to make it a cozy environment. You will need to bribe your pup at first by providing treats, toys, and even full meals when introducing your puppy to the crate. Step 3. Keep the gate open. Leave the door ajar until your pup feels comfortable entering on his own. Once your furry companion has established his crate as a safe zone, you can close the gate for short bits of time. Start with 5 minutes, then 10, then 30. You get the point. Step 4. Crate placement. Start with a crate close by as you hang out watching TV, reading, or doing computer work. Place the crate close to your bed at night as well. This will help cut down on your pup's separation anxiety while in the crate. Step 5. Designate a potty spot. Always bring your puppy to the same spot. Your puppy learns by doing, so the more opportunities he has to go in the same spot, the more likely your pup is to build a strong preference for that area. Provide treats to young puppy in crate. Step 6. Praise and treat, don't craze and beat. Never get mad at your pup for having an accident inside. Punishment may make your puppy fear you and hide when he needs to go. Always bring some tasty treats on your walk and reward your puppy handsomely when he tinkles in the right spot. Step 7. Prevent daytime accidents. The best offense is a good defense. Supervision and management is crucial in the early days. Keep your puppy on a light leash even when indoors. Use a puppy playpen to confine movement to a small area and use the crate anytime you leave the house. The more accidents you can avoid, the faster the house training process will go. Step 8. Sleep is overrated. Having a puppy is like having a newborn. The baby will cry at night in the crate, and most likely it will be because he needs to tinkle. If your baby wakes up and whines, go directly from the crate to the potty spot. This will happen several times a night at first, but it will get better in a couple of weeks as your baby will begin to sleep through the night. Don't let your pup roam free at night or accidents will inevitably occur. Step 9. Timing is key. Keep an eye on the clock.